Question 1. Which qualities are common in all three characters of the play The Proposal? Question 2. How does Lomov come to Chubuko's house? What does he come? How is he received? Answer. Lomov came to Chubuko's house in the evening dress with gloves on. He comes to propose to his daughter Natalya. He is received with all the respect by Chubuko. Question 3. How does Chubuko react when Lomov says that he has come to ask for the hand of his daughter? Answer. When Lomov says that he has come to ask for the hand of his daughter, Chubuko gets off balance with joy. He embraces and kisses Lomov, sheds a tear of joy, and calls for God's blessing for Lomov and Natalya. Question 4. Why did Lomov want to get married? Answer. Lomov wanted to do marry with Natalya. He was already 35 years old. Moreover, he was not well and suffering due to a weak heart and sleep sickness and wanted company of someone to look after him. What happens to Lomov when he is in an excited state? When Lomov is in an excited state, his heartbeat increases, lips tremble, and there is a twitch in his right eyebrow. When he goes to sleep in such a state, something pulls him from his left side and he jumps like a lunatic. Natalya excites Lomov to the point of verbal fighting. Natalya is so aggressive and came on a lower level. Natalya repeatedly insisted that Ocean Meadows are theirs and told Lomov that up to now she considered Lomov as a good neighbor and friend. This excited Lomov to the pointing of verbal. How does Lomov react when Chuboko says that he is not used to misbehavior by a young man like Lomov? Lomov reacts by saying that Chuboko thinks that he is a fool. He says that he cannot talk to him calmly and politely as he is making a false claim to his property. He further accuses Chuboko of being a grabber. Why does Natalya ask her father Chuboko? Question 8. Why does Natalya ask her father Chuboko to fetch Lomov in at once? Why does she accuse her father? Natalya asked her father to fetch Lomov at once as she had come to know that Lomov had come to propose her. She accused Chuboko of driving Lomov out of their home. Question 9. How does Natalia react when she comes to know that Lomov had come to propose? When Natalia came to know that Lomov had come there to propose her, she was shocked. She wails, changes the stance, and asks her father to fetch Lomov. Character sketch of Natalia. Natalia was 25 years unmarried, beautiful girl. She lived in a neighborhood of Lomov. She was an excellent housekeeper. Thrust, she was thirsting for love. Her father called her a lovesick cat. Lomov said that she was not well educated, but she did not seem to be so. She was very quarrelsome and abusive by nature. She began a better quarrel with Lomov over a piece of land that had little value. She said that those meadows were not much worth to her, but she could not stand unfairness. But when she learned that Losmo had come to propose to her, she forgot all fairness and unfairness. Character sketch of Chubuko. Chubuko is a caring, sensible father of both Natalia and his business. Like all business deals, he even looks for the aspect in Natalia's marriage. Her emotions do not matter to him. He is ready to get his daughter married to Lomo. Character sketch of Lomo. Lomo was a young unmarried man of 35. He was anxious to get married as he had already reached a critical age. So he decided to propose a girl in his neighborhood. Her name was Natalya, a girl of 25 years old.